This is NAIA Terminal 2, no? Under the management of San Miguel. So far, there's an improvement. Nakita ko, yung CR is medyo malinis, no? Kanina. So this is private sector managed na siya, na airport. So we're waiting for our baggage claim here. Bay 8. Medyo malinis, no? Organized. So, hopefully may improvement pa talaga. So mas efficient siya. Malinis, di ba? No? Galing.
International standard.
Kaya nga, international standards na. May tissue, malinis yung well-maintained yung CR. Sana competitive tong NAIA. We took yung Philippine Airlines from Gensan na flight, no? Gabi. One of those rare, no? Na flights. Mas magandang kumuha ng evening flights. So may information center, duty free. Oh, I like it, no? They're increasing yung capacity ng NAIA ata per hour. So they can improve yung efficiency, no, through management ng San Miguel Corporation. So effective September 15 ata, bago pa lang naman. So let's give them a chance, no, to improve further yung operations ng NAIA. Siyempre nating beats yung private sector, no? Presumably ito yung toilet, CR. May improvement ng layo kumpara dati. Malinis, no? Malinis, super, no? Kompleto, sabon, yung faucet, the tissue, saka yung urinals, no? Sobrang linis. Hopefully tuloy-tuloy na to, yung improvement. So barely a month pa lang, more than a month, no? Yung takeover ng private sector here. Okay, so pati yung kuha nila, naka-camera na, galing.